The 2014 Honda CR-V. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include front fog lights, heated seats, power moonroof, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.